Prepositions are connecting words. Prepositions connect nouns or pronouns to the rest of the sentence. Prepositional phrases. A prepositional phrase is a group of words that begins with a preposition and ends with an object. The object of a prepositional phrase is usually a noun or pronoun. The purpose of a prepositional phrase is to give more information about which one, how, when, why, who, or where. The map from the miner told us where to find the gold. The preposition in this sentence is from. The object of the prepositional phrase is the noun miner. The prepositional phrase from the miner describes which map we should use to find the gold. Freddie was sore during yesterday's football practice. When was Freddie sore? He was sore during yesterday's football practice. In this sentence, during is a preposition. Can you find the object of the prepositional phrase? Remember, you are looking for a noun or a pronoun. If you said practice, you would be correct. The words yesterday's and football are adjectives describing the practice. The sun is rising above the tall mountains. The preposition in this sentence is above. It describes where the sun is rising. The object of the prepositional phrase is mountains. The words those and tall are adjectives describing the mountains. More than one prepositional phrase. It's not unusual for good writers to include two or more prepositional phrases in the same sentence. On Saturday night, we walked through the neighborhood searching for her lost dog. There are three prepositional phrases in the sentence above. The first one, on Saturday night, describes when. The preposition is on, and the object of the prepositional phrase is night. Saturday is an adjective describing which night. Can you locate the prepositions and the objects in the other two prepositional phrases? Through is the preposition of the second prepositional phrase, and neighborhood is the object. For is the preposition of the last prepositional phrase, and dog is the object. Her and lost are adjectives describing the dog. Finding and using prepositional phrases. Finding prepositional phrases in a sentence takes practice. Learning to use prepositional phrases will help your writing come alive. Prepositional phrases never contain verbs or the simple subject of the sentence. Remember, the simple subject is the noun or pronoun that performs the action in the sentence. Locating prepositional phrases is also easier when you memorize some of the most common prepositions for your grade level. Here are some examples of fourth grade prepositions. About, above, across, after, against, along, around, at, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, by, down, during, except, for, from, in, inside, into, near, of, off, on, out, outside, over, past, through, throughout, to, toward, under, until, up, with, without. Now you try the last few on your journal card. The farmer used the plow from the barn. In this sentence, the prepositional phrase is, the preposition is, the object of the prepositional phrase is the noun, I rode my bike to the grocery store. In this sentence, the prepositional phrase is, the preposition is, the object of the prepositional phrase is the noun. After a big dinner, we left the restaurant with them. There are two prepositional phrases in this sentence. The second prepositional phrase is, the object of this prepositional phrase is the pronoun